Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change a Chevy Equinox key fob battery. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver, a CR2032 battery, and a clean towel to catch parts. Remove the mechanical key, pry the fob halves gently, and note clip locations so you can reassemble it correctly. Keep batteries away from children and recycle the old battery responsibly. Begin by removing the mechanical key from the fob and placing the device on a soft towel. Carefully insert the small flathead screwdriver into the seam, applying gentle pressure until the halves separate without forcing them. Note where each spring and rubber pad sits, then lift the old battery straight out to avoid bending contacts or losing components as you prepare to install the new CR2032. Place the new CR2032 battery into its cradle with correct polarity and make sure it sits flat against the contacts. Reassemble the fob halves by aligning clips and pressing until they click together, then slide the mechanical key back in place. Test the buttons for lock, unlock, and remote start if available, and if something feels off, reopen and verify component placement to avoid repeat disassembly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.